In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a GIF in GIMP. Let's get started. First, prepare the photo that you would like to turn into a GIF by opening it on GIMP. To do this, click on the File tab on the menu bar and select Open to upload your images in GIMP, or simply press Ctrl-O on your keyboard. Once you've opened the images in GIMP, you can now drag the images on its respective layers, like so. Keep in mind that when animating these images, the topmost layer will be the first one to appear in the GIF, and the layer at the bottom would be the last slide. And if you want to loop the GIF, you can make the bottom layer transition into the top layer by keeping it similar to make a smooth and clean loop. Once you've arranged the layer to the sequence that you like, you can now click on the File tab on the menu bar and select the Mode option. This will open the Indexed Color Conversation dialog, which will convert the colors of your image and compress the image quality to fit the GIF's standard quality. Most of the time, the default settings in here are fine, but you can still undo the conversion if you don't like the results. If you're satisfied with the settings, go ahead and click the Convert button. Now, to export your file as GIF, click on the File tab on the menu bar and select Export As, or simply press Shift-Ctrl-E on your keyboard. Now make sure to select the right file type before exporting. Click on the Select File tab drop-down menu and scroll down to select the GIF image option. Once you've clicked the Export button, another pop-up warning will appear on the screen. Simply click on the Crop button and GIMP will discard any image content outside the image borders. Now, to finally animate the GIF, simply enable the animation option on the Export Image as GIF window. Enable Loop Forever as well, and you can adjust the pacing of the sequence by editing the milliseconds text box. Now, set the frame disposal to 1 frame per layer and enable both these options before clicking Export. And there you go. You now have a GIF in GIMP. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.